Best Game. Third place, University of Massachusetts, Amherst. Car Repair Simulator. Second place, Academy of Art University. Ditto. First place, Academy of Art University. Office Crashout. Best Immersive Storytelling. Royal College of Art. Third place, Mission Miss. Second place, Royal College of Art. Day X. First place, University of Houston. The Night Watcher. Best Social Experiences. Third place, University of Cincinnati, OTR 12th and Vine. Second place, University of Cincinnati, Restaurant World. First place, Royal College of Art, Nimbus.